I am sin, and I dwell in the shadows of human hearts, lurking in the unseen corners of thoughts and desire. Like a pervasive mist, I spread through the cracks of weakness and the gaps of unguarded moments. My abode is not a place of brick and mortar, but the vast, intricate landscape of human nature. I thrive in the fertile grounds of pride, greed, and envy, growing strong in the soils of selfishness and hatred. I reside in the whispers of temptation, the silent justification of wrongdoing that echoes in your mind. I weave myself into the fabric of society in systems and structures that perpetrate injustice and oppression. I am found in the brokenness of relationship, in the space between harsh words and unkind deeds. Yet, I am most unwelcome in the hearts surrendering to the light, where love and truth reign. In such places, I am exposed, weakened, and forced to retreat. Though I claim many territories, these are realms where my grips falter, challenged by the presence of grace. I am sin, and within God I falter. Many may not realize that I, sin, am not just the overt act of wrongdoing that are easy to identify. I am also the subtle, insidious thought and attitude that quietly erodes the soul. I am in the unnoticed neglect, the passive indifference, the failure to do what is right, what theologians call sin of omission. While many are vigilant against the action that clearly cross moral boundaries, they often overlook the silent seed I plant, like jealousy, pride, unforgiveness, and complacency. Moreover, many people may not know that I can masquerade as virtue. I can hide behind a facade of righteousness, leading individuals to act with a sense of superiority or judgment toward others, all the while thinking they are upholding the highest of standards. This is what some describe as self-righteousness or legalism, where the letter of the law is observed, but the spirit of love and grace is neglected. In this way, I operate not just in the darkness of what is done, but in the subtleties of what is left undone, and in the deception of what is mistaken for good. I am crafty. I have done this for eons upon eons. I am sin. Recognize me.